Happy holiday, traders. You're going to need it. This is the VGT. I've listed in the description the kind of companies that are involved in this. It's had an extraordinary rally. We sold out of it. It was on sale. It's overbought. It's overvalued. September, October, there's going to be huge downside pullbacks in this ETF. On Friday, with no volume, they got a pump out of it of about $8. It had a gap of $4.99. It made a high again at $5.75. But we can see that the 50-day moving average it's right there on it, right below the 10. It couldn't take out these tops right here. Why? You didn't have any volume in August. For you August traders, you had no volume. I don't care what you say or how you try to come up with excuses about no volume. You didn't have it. And you got more downside coming. And when that downside happens, as it will, don't come running to me, man. I gave you the opportunity. You did not move in the right direction. So your losses, to me, are warranted. You have no business to complain on what this market is going to give you over the next couple of months. The only thing it's going to do is make you very uncomfortable, as it should. As it should.